Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to change the default browser app to Chrome in iPhone. Go to settings, scroll down and find Chrome app. Tap on the Chrome app to open its settings. Tap on default browser app. Select Chrome from list of available browsers. That's it. Chrome is now your default browser on your iPhone. To change back to Safari or another browser in future, go to settings, find Chrome, tap on default browser and change it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.